As the summer of 24 heats up, the cost of cannabis cooled down. Let's start with the 5 top strains of July from the market analysis from High Times. Once again, we have what we call the Budweiser of weed, the Blue Dream.
I can give it all day. I can give it everything. No, we don't have to play the spoon all day, all night, all right. All day, all night, all right. I don't have the time to be with you every single day.
Thanks for watching, folks. I see you next month and... Oh, what's happening there? What's this smoke? You're no longer framed properly, but you're smoking alone behind. Oh, wait for me. What's the strain, bro?
Oh, that's the purple Kush, dude.